Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to go over 6 fashion trends that I am absolutely tired of seeing. Let me just say, by the nature of this video, there is a pretty high chance that I'm going to offend some people, okay? I'm going to talk about trends that I am seeing all over the place, and most likely some of you guys have been participating in these trends. And if you love these trends, if these are your favorite things, please do your best. Do your best to not get offended, okay? You can do absolutely whatever you want to do. I will be happy as long as you're happy. It's all okay. Just do whatever you want. Wear the trends that you want to wear. Don't wear the trends you don't want to wear. And that's it. I also feel like there are just so many trends going on right now. Like, it's almost impossible to keep up. It's so much. So I just picked 6 that I feel like I've gotten my dose of, okay? So if you guys want to know which trends I am just tired of seeing, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what to say. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna be here when I do. You like luxury, you like campus, you like fashion, you like trends, and you don't like trends. I feel like this is definitely where you're gonna be, so you should subscribe if you're not already, and just follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a reel, outfit of the day, something else, stories. It's a lot, okay? We post a lot over there, so just follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. I had to come strong with the first one, you guys. I know I'm gonna be ripped apart for pretty much all of these, but this one that I've actually participated in, and recently at that, it is animal print. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. I know, like, I literally just bought a Skims and Dolce & Gabbana, like, leopard print top. I'll link the unboxing up here. I love that shirt. I will tell you right now, I absolutely love that shirt, and I do plan on wearing that forever. Like, I love it. The print on that shirt is just like unlike any other leopard print piece that I've ever seen. However, all the other leopard print and all the other zebra and snake and like, I don't want to see it anymore. I don't want to see it. For my birthday, I actually wore a leopard print dress. I'll put the picture of it right here. And I hated it. I felt so weird in that dress. Before this was even a trend, I made a very conscious decision to never buy leopard print clothing at all because I didn't like it. I just don't like it. Zebra print, same thing. Tiger, like whatever print it is, I just don't like it. But now that we're like in the middle of this trend, I said, you know what? Let me try it out. Let me not be a negative Nelly. I'm going to try it out. So that's why I ended up ordering that leopard print dress that I hated. And then once I saw the Dolce & Gabbana Skims leopard print, I said, okay, that's a leopard print that I can get behind. And I still very much stand by that. But that is the only leopard print piece in my entire wardrobe. I already got rid of that dress because I don't like it. This next one is also, this one might be even more aggressive than the animal print. Honestly, I'm like asking for you to unsubscribe. Just this whole video is me just like coming at you and asking you to unsubscribe. Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami multicolor. I'm tired, you guys. I'm tired of seeing it. I am tired, okay? I think that it is extremely iconic. And when I was like in middle school is when I think it came out. Was it like 2000? What's the 20th anniversary? So like 2005. Was I in middle school in 2005? Obviously, I didn't have the money to buy a Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami piece, but I remember very distinctly seeing it everywhere. And I thought it was the coolest thing ever. I thought it was super cute. And like, I wanted a piece so bad. I am now 31 and I have never owned a piece, and I feel like I'm okay. I feel like I've survived, okay? I actually had the chance to order the black multicolor Nano Speedy, which is the only piece that I liked from this collection, by the way, was that. There are like a couple of sandals that I think are okay, but if you guys know anything about my feet right now, they cannot be in sandals. I run a lot, you guys, and it's just, they look like I run a lot. But I had a chance to order that Nano Speedy, and I just looked at it and was like, I'm gonna spend $20 to $100 on this. I don't think I'm gonna. I actually really don't think I'm gonna. And so I didn't. And here I am, surviving just fine. I really just don't care. I don't care about the collaboration. I just don't care. And especially knowing that a lot of people had their pre-orders canceled after giving like a full down payment. I'm turned off. I just don't want to see it anymore. It's too much. It's too much, you guys. Like every 5 seconds, I don't need to see a multicolor piece. And that's just how I feel. I'm sorry. I know everyone's so mad right now, but I don't want to see it. The next one is one that I have participated in and would totally participate in again, but I just think we need to tone it down, okay? It's burgundy bags. Can we calm down? Like, did the color burgundy just erupt? Like, did we just discover that this color exists? I don't understand. Every time I go onto Instagram, the only thing I see is a gray, it's literally a gray outfit. The whole outfit is gray. And then the bag is burgundy. It's the exact same outfit on repeat, just like on repeat. And I don't know what up. I don't know if we just woke up from a slumber and just discovered the color burgundy, but like, I think that's enough. I did have a burgundy wallet on chain. I'll link the unboxing up here. And I think I got that last year, like in 2023 for my birthday. And like, it was nice, but like, it's really not that serious. Let's just calm down. I just don't know like where everybody's been for the last like a lot of years that burgundy has existed. Like, have we not liked burgundy up until the end of 2024? Is that, or did we just not know it was a thing? Is it like a rare diamond that no one knew was there? Like, I just don't get it. I think it's a beautiful color. Like, don't think that I'm saying it's not a beautiful color or that I don't want a bag again in that color, because I actually do have Rouge H or Bordeaux as like a color in my wish list video. I'll link it right up here, like the color that I want for this year in my wish list video. That was a weird sentence. And actually seeing it as much as I've seen it has turned me off completely. And now I feel like I don't even care if I get that color at all this year. I feel like I'd rather focus on other colors. So like, number 4 is another trend that I definitely do participate in to an extent. And that is super wide leg jeans. I have like medium wide leg jeans. I'm not going to be out here with like parachutes as pants. I'm just not going to do that. But like a little width, I'm good with. I'm good with a little width, you know? I cannot believe how hard we were riding for skinny jeans 5 minutes ago. And now it's like
skinny jeans. Like, what are you even doing?
Like, I love skinny jeans. I don't care if I'm the last bitch on earth wearing skinny jeans. I'm gonna wear them. I might wear them today. I don't know. I'm still in my pajama pants. We'll see. I'm gonna wear what I want to wear. And sometimes it's skinny jeans. Sometimes it's a little bit wider like pants. But the pants that come out, like, it makes you look like you're like 3 times your size. I'm not understanding. I'm not understanding it. And I'm getting real tired. I'm getting real tired of seeing these pants everywhere, okay? Can't we just wear a regular, like a straight fit pants? Like let's do that. Straight fit is nice. I like straight fit. I feel like it's like the best of both worlds. Like, it's not super duper duper tight, like onto your freaking skin to the point where like every time you sit down, you got to pick them up. I know you know what I'm talking about. That's like a skinny jeans problem that I have had forever. But also, it's not these humongous, like, it's literally sweatpants. It's literally sweatpants. Just wear sweatpants at that point. It's obvious that that's what you want to do. No hate to you, because I love a good pair of sweatpants. You guys know, like, I dress up like once a year. Okay? I already know that in a couple of years, these bigger, huge, wide leg pants, wide leg jeans are going to be completely out. They're going to be like the worst thing that you could ever wear. And skinny jeans are going to be back. And then everybody's going to be buying skinny jeans. So I'm just like, I'm going to wait. I'm just going to wait until this is over, until this little phase is gone. And then we can start talking again, okay? Then I'll join the conversation. My second to last one is one that I feel like you guys knew I was going to talk about. You knew that I was going to talk about this because I've mentioned it before on my channel, and I am very vocal about how I feel about this. And this is obviously a very big trend right now, and that is bag charms. I am sick. I'm sick of the bag charms, guys. I'm sick of seeing the little boo-boos on the bag. And I know I am so in the minority here. I know, I mean, pretty much with all these things, I'm in the minority. But I am like extra in the minority when it comes to these like Labubu's and bag charms and all that, because a lot of people really, really, really love them. I just prefer the clean look of a bag. For me, it just looks messy. It just looks like, I don't know, it looks like a kid's play bag or something. Like, it looks like something that Alana would put on one of her bags, which, by the way, if you want to see Alana's bag collection, it's right up here. It's right up here, guys. It's just not something that I ever would want to be part of. It's not something that I'm interested in really at all. And the fact that I see it constantly all the time, just over and over again, it's just getting tiring. It's just getting boring. And I just don't want to, I don't get it. And I just don't want to see it. Okay. So that's where I'm at. Obviously, if you love bag charms, just like if you love any of these other things that I'm going to talk about, please continue to do that. I promise you, I will not be mad. I mean, I really can't talk. There's obviously things that I do that other people look at and are like,
what are you sane as a person?
I 100% know that, but I'm just giving you my 2 cents here. And I don't get it. I don't get it. The last trend on the list is a shoe trend actually, and I don't feel like there's a lot of these, meaning there's not like so many shoe trends going on right now. However, the flat ballerina sandals, specifically the flat, like super flat to the ground flat ones, and sometimes they're not only ballerinas, sometimes they're Mary Janes. This whole just genre of shoe, like what the hell? What the actual hell? First of all, I remember wearing these shoes when I was like in middle school, okay? I remember we would go to a little 99-cent store. They would have all the little colors. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you are too young, because I had this shoe in every freaking color. Every color. They were so cheap and they were made so cheap. So that's exactly the vibe that I get from this style of shoe. To me, there is nothing cool. There is nothing fashionable. There is nothing attractive about this type of shoe. I don't like the shape. I don't feel like they're comfortable whatsoever. And I will attribute this to the fact that it's not my style at all. Like I just could never with a ballerina shoe or a Mary Jane shoe, like in general. But I just see it constantly nonstop on my feed. Like all the fashion girlies are wearing them, all the fashion girlies. Like there's like this Alaya pair specifically that are just blowing up. And why would we spend so much money on such unattractive shoes? I'm so confused. And obviously, again, you could probably look at half my shoe collection or more and say,
what?
But this is just, this trend grinds my gears. Like you just don't get it. I just can't stand these shoes. Probably more than I can't stand any of the other things on this list. Like I don't know what it is. Like I have a personal vendetta against these shoes. Obviously I didn't when I was in middle school, when I was buying them from the 99-cent store. But I have one now. I sure do. I have one now, and I just like, I can't imagine a time in which I put an outfit together and I say,
You know what would look so good with this? Some of those flat ballerina.
no, absolutely not. I'd rather have sneakers. I'd rather have loafers, mules, literally any other style of shoe, platforms, boots, anything else. Just pick another style and I'll be happy. But not these. Not these, guys. So guys, if you're still here and haven't already thumbs down this video, definitely let me know in the comments what you guys thought about my picks. Again, this was an aggressive video. Like I knew it was going to be aggressive. I knew it was when I sat down to film it, you know. But I feel like we gotta all have different opinions, right? Like we can't all just be super obsessed with multicolor all the time. We can't. But let me know in the comments what you guys thought about my picks. Let me know, are there any trends that you're tired of? Even if it's a trend that I do or that I'm into or that you've seen me do, just let me know in the comments. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Because I love the intracciato weather. Wet. Stop it.